I'm Roger, and what I'm going to be doing here is reviewing this Worx combo kit, combination string trimmer and blower. And the reason why is because of this, the battery. Finding out it is cheaper, instead of buying the battery, buy a combo kit. Watch, you'll find out why. Okay, a lot of people call these weed eaters. It's technically a string trimmer because weed eater is a brand name, but it's going to be like Kleenex and Band-Aid and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, going to be reviewing it. I'm not going to do an unboxing because anybody can take crap out of a box. I will show you a little bit after I take it out. But what I want to explain a little bit of history. My wife picked this up because she likes the Worx string trimmer. I use a big gas-powered one, but that's not something she can use. So she likes to use a little electric string trimmer, and long ago she bought one. It runs on these little 20 volt 2 amp hour max batteries. And of course, if you have a DeWalt tool or Milwaukee or Makita, Bosch, it doesn't matter what brand, you know that the batteries don't last forever, and they are expensive. So needed a couple new batteries for the string trimmers. One to use, one to have for spare, and well, they are $45 a piece, so two of them's 90 bucks. This set right here, it's the string trimmer and the blower. Comes with a charger and two batteries she got it for $88. So for $2 less, she got the two batteries plus two tools. Now where is this leading? Well, let me show you here. Push this out of the way. Here's the first one. It's set up for edging, you know, along your edge of your driveway right now. And yeah, they are nice little things, and they're very light. If you're a woman and not really built like a linebacker or anything, but you want to do a little trimming around, these are great. But yeah, eventually the battery went bad in it. So went to get another battery and found out that it was cheaper to buy the whole trimmer. So now we've got, of course this was set up for just straight trimming, and yeah, let me throw a battery in it quick. Hopefully it's got a little bit of a charge in it. Well, didn't get it in there right. Well, screwed that up good. There, that's a little better. They go right in when you do it right. Nice little light trimmer. So we're down to one battery is the problem. So we got one battery for two trimmers. They do easily convert from edging to trimming, but she likes to have the two, and don't really need another blower. I've got a big Ryobi backpack blower. In fact, it's sitting on the floor over here. You can do a little bit of maintenance on it. Plus, she has a very good steel cordless blower. We've got a Toro electric and another Black & Decker battery operated. We got all kinds of blowers, but didn't really need another one. But we're going to find out how light this is and just exactly how well it works. So I'm going to get this stuff out of the box and we'll see what we got. Okay, so what do we get in this combo kit? Yeah, a little bit of assembly required. It's pretty simple. This is on the blower part. There's holes, there's bumps, there's a little keyway. There's a keyway. You line them up, I hope. And you snap them together. On the blower itself, there is a hole and there is a bump. You line those up. There we go. And they snap together, and it looks like you could push on that really hard to get that back off of there again if you needed to. Other than that, from there you would slip your battery in, and we'll play with that here in a minute. I don't know if these are charged or not. I may use one of our other ones. That's all there is to the blower. On the string trimmer part, you'll notice that it's got a wire that's back here. You just shove that forward, and there is a Phillips screw right here. You take the Phillips screw out, you got the base. Try to hold this up, we can see a little better. This just slides right up in there. Little arrow on it and everything. And once you get it in there, it'll go click. And just put this screw in, and that holds the guard on. This little guy here is adjustable. It's nice to have that out to keep you from getting too close to maybe your flowers or something. Or you can just shove it back in there and use it that way. Then the last thing is the little set of wheels, like this, when you convert this to an edger. Yeah, I suppose you could put it on upside down, but it wouldn't really fit too well. Very simple. There's a metal plate right here. There's a little keyway in there. This just slips right on. I'm sure that's in the instructions too. Well, it's supposed to slip right on. There we go, and then it clicks, and there you are. Want to do some edging. And there, the only other part of this would be to stick the battery in there. It's got a little adjustment here you can do with your handle. Just push the button in. You can move the handle. So that's pretty straightforward. Now, other thing came, well, of course, instructions. Yeah, I might open them sometime. You get 2 batteries. Now here's what really surprised me. Here's the charger you get now. I went and grabbed the charger from the other one we got. Look at the difference. I mean, this is a much better belt, much heavier duty. Don't know that it charges any faster, but, well, we're going to find out. Okay, with that, let's see if we got any life in these new batteries, see how this blower works. Just clip the battery in there, and there's a little knob up here. It's 2-speed, and that's a good way to clean off the ceiling lights, because I made a huge cloud of dust on the other side of the shop. But now I get to go clean that up. The string trimmer should be the same type of thing. Battery, slip it in. It's got a little safety thing on the side here. Little orange button you push in, then you pull the handle. Now it should work just fine. And I'm sure that she'll be playing with this later. You can make this longer too for us taller folks. So that's just a quick review of this and why we bought it. Yes, but does it work? That's what we're going to find out. Take each one of these outside, and I'll start with the blower. We'll blow a few leaves off the driveway, see how that works. Then I'll try the trimmer on a little bit of really long grass. And there's even a little volunteer tree there. We're going to see just how strong the string is and whether this thing can do it. I'll bet it can. So now my battery rant. It should not be the case that you can go buy the tools cheaper than you can buy the batteries. And it's not just Worx that does that. I've seen DeWalt have the same type of sales, especially around Christmas. You can go buy the complete tool set, get another battery and a charger cheaper than you can go buy a battery. I'm not real sure about Milwaukee because I don't have any cordless Milwaukee tools. I know Makita's done that. Bosch has done it. Ryobi has done it. And I'm sure Metabo's probably pulled that too. And I'm Black & Decker, the homeowner line. I'm sure they all pull that off. Anyway, that's my little rant on why should it be cheaper to go buy tools with the batteries than just buy the battery. I think it's kind of a scam. Kind of like printer ink. Another scam right there. Okay, done with the rant. Hope you enjoyed this. If you got something out of it, I appreciate getting a thumbs up. Of course, feel free to leave a comment. Always read them, and I reply to them. And of course, we're always looking for subscribers. Then, until the next video, thanks for watching.